It's a really old pewter ring. They used a shell to put that design on there. You see all the little lines from the shell? They put it on there, then they just pull it sideways. It's got a crack in it, but it's really small. And here's my gold ring I found. Class ring from 1940, 10 karat. Found this in my backyard. That was on my dredge.
Facility yesterday that was
There's my diamond I found.
Used to be.
That real shiny one's my first gold bar I ever made. That's a 6.6 gram nugget from California.
Not open to the public, so I can't go there and file
Montana gold.
I was doing walk-by filming yesterday.
Oregon gold.
Sergeant, and I have all their information on
Gold
there.
for days.